guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let me catch my breath. My darlings, thank you for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you. It's your girl Becky the mommy. Yes, so it's Becky the mommy. Becky the mommy. Becky the mommy. Okay, my darlings, a lot of you have asked for this video. So many persons have asked me how, do I keep fit even as a mom of two? How have I been able to, keep this, all of this, especially this flat tummy that you see here, okay? And I promised you guys that I was definitely going to share how I've been able to, keep fit even after 2 kids, okay? Now, my darlings, to start this video, I would like to say it as much as I'm sure you've heard this before. Yeah, I'm sure you've heard this before. It's a thing of joy to be a mother, okay? It's a thing of joy to be a mother, and everybody is not the same. What am I trying to say? Everybody's body is not the same, okay? We all have different body, and for some persons, sorry, I'm still trying to catch my breath. For some persons, it's easy for them to lose weight after childbirth. For some other persons, it's hard, okay, for them to lose weight. It all depends on, the weight that you already had before you became pregnant. I think I said this in my very live video that I did. I did a live stream on how I lost weight for 2 times pregnancy, or rather how I lost 2 times pregnancy weight. Yes, that's the title of that live stream that I did, and the video is still there. If you search for it, you will see it. I talked I shared a lot on how I was able to lose weight after giving birth. Okay, my darlings, yes, with all of that being said, this video is going to be very, very realistic. I'm not about sharing with you guys what I don't eat though because of this video. No, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do on a daily basis, okay? Especially for the tea. So the first thing I do in the morning, you guys know I'm a mama. And as a mom, I've already shared with you guys a few of my morning routines, especially on school runs days. What I get to do is first thing in the morning by 5 a.m. when I come out, to prepare the things that my kids will take to school, I make sure I boil water down first to take my tea. I mean, in the midst of all the running around, the rush and all of that to go to school, that 5 a.m. I wake up to come to the kitchen. The first thing I do is I heat up water first, and then I take my tea while either I'm cooking or trying to arrange the things for school runs. I make sure I take that glass cup of tea. Okay, my kids, I've already dropped them in school. This is 8 a.m. in the morning. My darlings, there's no light. We don't have light. The light issue in Nigeria right now is something else. Okay, so I'm using this. Turn on the gas. One good thing about this tea is while I'm taking it, see, I don't know if you guys can see, it makes me sweat, like it burns fat. Oh my god. So guys, I'm done. So guys, right after taking this tea, all I have to do next is, take breakfast, okay? But before I take the breakfast, I give myself like a few minutes.
So guys, what I was trying to say is this: before I, take breakfast, I give myself a few minutes for the tea to settle. If that makes sense, okay? So for breakfast, I had bread and one fried egg and sliced tomato, fresh tomato and cucumber, and that was it. This breakfast was heavenly.
You guys, this is good. This is good. I wish I have lettuce in the house. I would have added lettuce to this. You guys, I'm wiping my hand, okay? Okay, my darlings, so now that I'm done with breakfast, I'll just go rest a bit and I'll come back to share with you guys what I'll be having for lunch, okay? So for lunch, this is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, okay? And for lunch, I'll be making jollof rice. Okay, since I ate something very light in the morning, so I'll be making jollof rice for lunch, and these are the key ingredients.
So guys, these are the key ingredients, as you can see, okay? So what I did immediately was to steam the chicken with curry powder, thyme, onion, seasoning cubes and salt, okay, before frying the chicken. Now guys, it was at the point when I was frying the chicken, my battery died. So I didn't really get to film how I prepared this jollof rice. I mean, I make the best jollof rice. Argue with your phone. Okay, my darlings, I'll probably have to do a full recipe video of how I prepare jollof rice, but should in case you would like to see videos of how I cook jollof rice, I think I have other videos, but in a vlog. Okay, my darlings, this rice was amazing. Okay, so before dinner, what I usually do is I prep my detox water down, okay? And these are the key ingredients that I'll be using for my detox water, okay, which is lemon, cucumber and ginger. My darlings, this recipe is amazing. It burns belly fat like magic, and I'm telling you for a fact, because I mean it really does work, okay? I just had to overemphasize on that.
Okay, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Okay, I told you guys from the beginning that this video is going to be very realistic, because I'm going to be eating what I have available in the house, what I will regularly eat, okay, on a daily basis, depending on what I have on my food menu for that day, okay? But the most important thing is the time you eat, the portion of the food you eat, and then the nutrients. When I say nutrients, okay, let me just use the food components, okay, of what you're eating. At the end of the day, it's what you eat and the portion of what you eat, how you control what you eat, okay, that will determine if, you know, you keep fit, okay, or if you keep adding weight, okay? Why I said that is because during the vlogmas period, you guys, if you followed my vlogmas videos, you know that I cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked in December, and I was and as I was cooking, I was eating. As I was cooking, I was eating. In fact, December was just that holiday period when I didn't control what I was eating and how I was eating and how many times I was eating in a day. In fact, I was just eating and eating and eating, and I really added weight, okay? I added about 8 kg, and I know I complained to a few persons about it. I mean, I added a whole 8 kg. I weigh 69. I've been able to maintain 69 for a very, very long time. For a very, very long time, in fact, for over a decade. Okay, before I got married, I was weighing 69. Before pregnancy, I weighed 69. After pregnancy, I still tried to, you know, burn the whole baby fat down to 69. I've always maintained 69 kg, okay? And after this past Christmas period, you know, because of the whole holiday season, the whole cooking and all of that, I added extra 8 kg, which means I started weighing 77, okay? So these few recipes, especially the drink you just saw me make now, I'm not going to be taking it now. That will be the last thing I would take before I go to bed. I heard a noise. I thought maybe they brought the light. So with that being said, that was a distraction, okay? Right now, I want to prepare dinner. I'm not cooking anything fresh. I have some soups in the fridge, no, in the freezer. So I'll probably just, you know, microwave the soup and then would have that for dinner. And when I'm ready to go to bed, I'll take my drink, okay? Now, that drink, I can tell you for a fact, before I decided to, you know, share it here with you guys in my channel, I have tried it and it works. It works like magic, as in it burns belly fat. You see lemon, you see cucumber and ginger mixed together is magic, okay? And this is not the first time I have done this. In my one of my evening routine videos, although I didn't add lemon to it because I did not have lemon available that day, okay, I just did cucumber and ginger drink, and I took it before I went to bed. I always take this drink, some people call it detox, okay, detox drink. I always take it in the night, I mean last thing for the day before I go to bed, okay? So yeah, the most important meals for me is breakfast and lunch, because sometimes I end up not taking dinner, okay? I told you guys that this video is going to be very realistic, so I'm telling you guys what I do, I mean how I eat, okay? Sometimes I literally forget to eat dinner because I get so indulged with my kids, and by the time I get done with the whole of the activities for the day, I just, you know, get tired, take my bath, but I make sure I take my drink and then I sleep off. Now that's why I try as much as possible to eat heavy, okay? What I had available in my menu today, I mean my family timetable for today, was jollof rice. That's why I made jollof rice today, okay? That's why I had jollof rice rather for lunch, okay? But sometimes I do eat eba, which is very heavy. I try as much as possible to take very heavy lunch, because sometimes in the night or dinner time, I don't take dinner. I hardly take dinner, except maybe when I'm feeding my kids, I could just put 1 or 2 spoons in my mouth and that's it, okay? And then sometimes I just lick soup, like that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to microwave the soup, and then it's okra soup. My kids, they love okra a whole lot, so I'm going to microwave the soup this evening and feed them while I lick mine, and that's it. And before I go to bed, I will take my drink. So my darlings, please do not eat heavy in the night, especially anything after 7 p.m.
So my darlings, after having dinner, of course, as a mom, I will attend to my kids, and before I call it a day, I always come to the fridge to pick up my detox water.
The lemon, cucumber, and ginger water, okay? Yeah. Whew. It's not sweet. Whew. But it's so refreshing. My darlings, I have obviously come to the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like the recipes that I've shared with you guys, and I hope you'll be trying it and you'll be consistent with it, okay? I don't take this every day. I try different recipes which has been working for me that I'll be sharing with you guys. I will definitely be sharing them with you guys in a few of my vlogs. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, okay, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss each time I drop a new video. I like this drink.